To begin, remove the print head. Open the cartridge cover. Remove all ink cartridges. Lift the lever and remove the print head. Do not let the print head out of the printer for too long. The ink inside the nozzles can dry out, ruining the print head. Open the scanner cover. Here there are 3 screws. You will need a special screwdriver, since the screws are star-type screws. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the screws of the upper cover. Position and number of the screws may vary depending on the model of the printer. Here there is another screw. Another one here. Remove the side cover of the scanner. It has hooks. Remove the side panel. Unhook the tabs on the back of the printer. Remove the cover. Remove the front cover. Be careful, there is the flat cable of the power button. Detach the flat cable and remove the front cover. Remove the other side panel. Remove this screw. Unhook the lever and open the scanner cover. Remove the 2 screws. Detach the connectors of the scanner unit. Remove the scanner unit. Remove the upper cover. You now have access to the main parts of the printer. Remove the cover of the network connectors. Remove the support of the printhead carriage. Remove the screws of the support. On the side there are other 2 screws. Detach the connects of the main board. Lift up the support. To remove the motor of the carriage, remove the 2 screws. Move the belt. Remove the motor. This is the encoder strip. Take note of the position of the encoder strip. Detach the encoder strip. Look at the position of the 2 side springs. The springs lock the carriage rod. Remove the springs. Slide the metal rod and remove it. This is the printhead holder. To gain access to the waste ink pads, remove this screw. Move this plastic part. Under it, there are the waste ink pads. The waste ink pads in Hewlett Packard printers do not have the same issues as those in Epson printers, but they may still need to be cleaned or replaced. This is a paper sensor. If you have a false paper jam, this one could be the problem. This is the encoder wheel. It must be clean. This is the photosensor of the encoder wheel. To remove the main board, remove the connector. Remove all the screws of the main board. On this side, remove the 2 screws. Lift up the main assembly of the printer and remove the main board. To remove the main assembly, detach the lever on the back. Lift up the main assembly.